Here's my 2004 Blaster, doing a top end rebuild and fixing a leak in the case. I'll be pulling the motor out in a few minutes. It's actually on the back, right under there. Haven't been able to get it. Got stuff in the way. I've now taken the engine out of the Blaster. Everything's disconnected, all out. Engine's over there. Put RTV silicone on it to hopefully patch the leak that I tried patching earlier when I had the quad. But the engine was still on it and I wasn't able to get it very good, and it still leaked. So hopefully it's better now. I'm gonna spray paint the plastics to make them nicer blue, or I may choose a different color, I'm not sure yet. And the frame is got some scratches on it. Yeah, it's got scratches on it, so I may actually take everything off and give it a nice spray paint, make it look a matte black. I'll be using bed liner paint, and it hopefully wouldn't chip. Be nice and sturdy forever, so that shit works good. And that's about it right now. Make another video when I get farther.